Hi and welcome again to one of my tutorials. Now this one's going to be on Patreon and this is the beautiful Puffin. Now what I'm going to show you on this one on Patreon is how to work on the sand eels and those lovely colours within the sand eels that you can see. Especially the beak, I know, which is bright orange. So again I'm going to show you how to work on that and work on the layering effects to get that colour within the beak. The sparkle within the eye, the layering of the feathers, and of course not forgetting the background. So come and join me on Patreon and let's make a start on this Puffin. Let's paint this in watercolour together. White is easy to kind of disturb. Once you put it on, you want to leave it on. If you do put another colour over the top, as I've said before when we did one earlier on, you can always add more if you don't think you've put enough on. I'd rather, as I said earlier, not enough than too much. Because at least that way you can control how much paint you have on.